So in here I have some walnut and some cashew that I'm gonna blend with some, I have some evaporated milk. I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna blend this. Let me check to see if it's smooth. I'm gonna blend this a little more. I'm pouring this out. So this is my cashew, my walnut, some evaporated milk with some water that I just blend. So I cook my sweet potato and I'm gonna blend it. I'm just, you know, sort of cutting it into some smaller pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna add this to the blender. I didn't wash my blender because I still have my cashew and walnut in there, so I'm just adding this to it. Then I'm gonna add some water and I'm gonna blend it as smooth as I can. And the cashew. I'm adding a bottle of Malta for the mixture. Let me incorporate the Malta properly into the mix. And I'm adding a can of Supligen. In punch, most punch, if not all, we always put Supligen in it to give it, you know, make it rich, more protein, and give it give a very nice taste and very nice flavor to the punch. So this is my nutmeg, cinnamon, and allspice that I'm adding. This too is a high protein drink, like the breadfruit drink. Only the potato, not the potato, you know, carbohydrate, but the nuts and everything else. So this is vanilla, almond essence, a little rose water, and I always can't remember the things I'm showing there, but all the liquid spice in here. So this is simple. This is not difficult. You know, not a lot of stuff that I'm putting into this, and then top it off with the condensed milk. If you don't want to use condensed milk, you can use honey to mix your drink. If you don't want to use, you can also use almond milk, all of the other healthy milk, and some people like brown sugar, you know, or as I said before, you can use honey. I didn't put any coconut milk in this. Reason why I didn't have any, you know, so I didn't put it. I didn't have any to add to this. And again, I'm gonna add some Jamaica white rum to it. I love my white rum. I love the taste of the punch with the white rum. It bring up the flavor. So this is my sweet potato punch, and I'm giving it a taste. Very good. It tastes like peanut punch. It tastes good. I'm wanting to try it. People just try, you know, go from the norm to, you know, something creative. This peanut punch is good. It doesn't cost a lot to prepare, and you know, you can add other stuff to it. Anything that you want to add to it, you can add to the sponge to make it. Oh Lord, I didn't put the rum in there, but that's how you go. You can add the red label wine, or you can add the white rum to it. I didn't add any white rum, but later on I'm gonna pour some in. Very, very good. And I'm gonna tell all my supporters to try this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna ask you again to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can even share, you know, my videos, my menus, you know, that I show on my channel. So goodbye for now, and catch you later.